Hello, what's up guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Beast Update. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about 3 most useful apps for students which will help them in learning. These apps are available on both Apple and Android devices, so you can download it from there. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Let's start the video. So guys, the first app in our list is Wikipedia. As you know, Wikipedia is very popular website from where you can search different things and can read about them. And I will recommend every student to download this app on their device. This app is available on both Apple and Android devices. You can search the things and can complete your assignment without wasting your time on different browser apps. If you want to download this, I will give the link in the description so that you can download it from there. So guys, the second app in our list is Microsoft ToDo App. This app is very helpful in planning your day. It will notify you for the events and reminders so that you can complete your work at time. And also you can create group where you can add different work. I have planned my day according to the timing, and this is very helpful because it notifies me every time when I have to complete my work, and I complete my work on time. I will recommend you to download this app and check this out. So guys, the third and last app in our list is Mimo app. If you don't have any computer, I will suggest you to download this app. This will help you in learning web development, Python, CSS, HTML and many other computer programming languages. There are a lot of projects which will help you in learning these complex languages more quickly. There are also courses like artificial intelligence programming, and you can choose any of them to learn. These are all free. And you can check your leaderboard status by tapping on this leaderboard icon. By the way guys, if you like my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.